Professor Dave again. Let's learn the past conditional tense.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We just learned about the conditional mood and when it is used, as well as how to form verbs in the present conditional tense. These were instances where we could say what someone would do if some condition were to be met. Now let's learn about the past conditional tense, or Condizionale Passato. This has a few different uses, all of which end up meaning something like I would have. If I had known you were coming to dinner, I would have cooked more food. Like the other compound tenses, past conditional is formed with the auxiliary avere or essere, followed by the past participle, and the rules for this will be the same rules we used when learning the present perfect indicative. Let's just note that transitive verbs will use avere, while intransitive verbs and reflexive verbs will use essere, and it is this auxiliary that will be conjugated into the conditional. Let's begin with transitive verbs, which will use avere. Io avrei mangiato. I would have eaten, as in, if I had known there wouldn't be any food at the party, I would have eaten beforehand. Now let's go through the full conjugation with ballare. Io avrei ballato. Tu avresti ballato. Lui o lei avrebbe ballato. Noi avremmo ballato. Voi avreste ballato. Loro avrebbero ballato. When the auxiliary is essere, it will conjugate just as avere did, but the participle will change to match gender and number. Io sarei tornato o tornata. Tu saresti tornato o tornata. Lui sarebbe tornato o lei sarebbe tornata. Noi saremmo tornati o tornate. Voi sareste tornati o tornate. Loro sarebbero tornati o tornate. A reflexive verb will conjugate like an intransitive one, but you will have to remember to add the reflexive pronoun. Io mi sarei alzato o alzata. Tu ti saresti alzato o alzata. Lui si sarebbe alzato o lei si sarebbe alzata. Noi ci saremmo alzati o alzate. Voi vi sareste alzati o alzate. Loro si sarebbero alzati o alzate. Now that we can conjugate these two auxiliaries into this tense, let's see what past conditional is used for. Generally speaking, the conditional of the past describes a potential fact that is contingent on something else. Let's now get more specific. First, it can be used to describe something that should have happened in the past, but didn't for some reason. Avrei ballato, ma non conoscevo nessuno. It can be used to express doubt. Non so se io ci sarei andato. It can be used to express an opinion in the past. Non avresti dovuto accettare la proposta così di fretta. It can express a wish or desire held in the past that is not feasible in the future. Avrei immediatamente comprato un biglietto per gli Stati Uniti. It can be used to express supposition or allegation, where using the present perfect indicative would make the statement completely certain. Il criminale avrebbe rubato una macchina e poi avrebbe passato il confine. It can indicate advice. Avresti dovuto aspettare la fine del temporale. Last but not least, past conditional is used to express a future action from a past point of view. This may sound a little confusing, but just look at the difference between these two statements. Dice che nevicherà. He says that it will snow. Diceva che avrebbe nevicato. He said that it would snow. Notice that having the main verb in a past tense is what triggers the switch from future to past conditional. Promette che non lo dirà a nessuno. Ha promesso che non l'avrebbe detto a nessuno. Let's look at just a couple more examples for good measure. Con I soldi del bonus avrei comprato regali di Natale per I miei bambini. Avreste dovuto portarle dei fiori. Sapevo che saresti tornato a chiedermi scusa. Il professore sperava che avremmo studiato di più e meglio. Mi avevi promesso che avresti pulito la tua stanza. And that's it for the past conditional tense. So let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.